Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can download and install iOS 16 beta 3 if it's not showing on the Apple beta website. So guys, as you know that iOS 16 beta 3 is out, but it's not showing on the Apple website. So let me show you everything step by step. So I'm going to go on Apple website. So as you can see, betaapple.com. So I am on official website of the Apple beta. So let me just enroll my device and let me download the profile. So then simply click on allow. Now go to setting and install the profile. Now guys, as you can see, it's showing iOS 15 and iPad iOS 15 beta. So let me enter my iPhone passcode. Then simply click on install. Now click on not now. Now if we go to the software update section, we won't see the iOS 16 beta 3. Instead it's showing iOS 15.6 public beta 5. So we need to install the iOS 16 beta. So for that, go to the Safari browser and go to the search bar and search here for betaprofiles.com. So you need to go to this website. On the first page, open this website, beta profiles. So guys, scroll down simply. Then as you can see here is iOS 16 beta 3. Then simply click on install profile, install anyways. Now allow. Now go back to your setting. Now install the downloaded profile. Enter your iPhone passcode. First also remove your iOS 15 beta profile. Then install the new beta profile of iOS 16. Now enter your iPhone passcode. Then click on install. Now click on not now. Now go to the software update section. Let's see if it's showing or not. So guys, as you can see here as iOS 16 developer beta 3. So this is how you can fix this. This is how you can install the new beta. So hope you guys like this video. If you do guys, leave a like and comment. Thanks for watching guys.